it's me, Tara. Today we're going to talk about the Hairsystem Deep Conditioning Treatment. When doing a deep conditioning treatment on a system, the first thing you need to do is brush out all the tangles of your hair system. Make sure to start from the bottom and work your way up. This is equally important to brush under the system and around the perimeter. Wet the hair thoroughly and apply Sunshine Hairpiece shampoo to the hair, ensuring the hair is completely covered. Clean thoroughly, rinse, and towel dry. Apply a generous amount of No. 3 OLAPLEX Hair Perfector treatment from the roots to the ends on damp, towel-dried hair. Comb it through, and again starting from the bottom, working your way up. Leave on for 10 minutes, extending the time if required. Rinse the treatment from the hair and shampoo again with Sunshine Hairpiece shampoo. Rinse and apply Sunshine Hairpiece conditioner. Comb through the hair once more and leave for a minute or two. Rinse and towel dry. Use a blow dryer or hood dryer to dry out the system to its desired look. We do not recommend leaving hair to air dry, as it may result in clumpy looking hair. Continue to use your treatment once a week to repair, protect, and strengthen all hair types. For compromised hair, use 2 or 3 times a week. That's it for today, guys. Thanks, bye.